Let's get something straight from the beginning. Women may forgive. They may move on. They may even act like they've forgotten you. But the truth is, women never truly forget a man who leaves a mark on their emotions. Not really. They might bury it, they might distract themselves, they might replace you, but they don't erase you. And here's the part most men aren't ready to hear. Most men have no idea how much power they actually have in shaping that memory. You think it's about what you say, what you buy, what you show. It's not. Because at the end of the day, women don't remember what you did. They remember how you made them feel. That's not an opinion. That's not a guess. That's psychology. And once you truly understand that, everything changes. The way you move changes. The way you speak changes. The way women respond to you changes. Reality check. Let me wake you up for a second. Too many men are out here trying to impress women with money, cars, status, or flashy gestures. Trying to prove their worth. Trying to stand out. And yeah, that might get attention, but attention is cheap. Attention is everywhere. Attention fades. What doesn't fade is emotional impact. What stays with a woman for years, sometimes for life, is how she felt when she was around you. The tension, the uncertainty, the respect, the emotional highs and lows, the way you made her question herself, the way you made her feel seen or challenged. Every woman has that one man she never forgets. And here's the truth, it's almost never the richest guy, not the most handsome, not even the nicest. It's the one who made her feel something real, something unpredictable, something she couldn't control, something she couldn't easily replace. Point 1. The man who says no. Most men think saying yes makes them attractive. They think it makes them look kind, supportive, easy to deal with. But what it actually does is make them predictable. And predictable men fade fast. The man who says yes to everything disappears into the background because there's no tension, no resistance, no challenge. But the man who can calmly say, "No, that doesn't work for me," that man creates impact. Because no shows something most men don't have: boundaries, self-respect, control. And here's what most men never realize. If you never say no, your yes has no value. But when you say no when it matters, your yes becomes rare, and rare things get remembered. Point 2. The man who walks away. Nothing hits harder than a man who knows when to walk away. Most men don't. They stay too long. They tolerate disrespect. They over-explain. They try to fix things that were never theirs to fix. Why? Because they're afraid. Afraid of losing her. Afraid of being alone. Afraid of starting over. But the man who walks away without drama, without begging, without chasing, he creates a different kind of impact. Because now, there's no closure. There's no explanation. Just silence. And silence forces her to think. Why didn't he stay? Why didn't he fight for me? Why did he leave so easily? And those questions don't fade. Point 3. The man who doesn't compete. The moment you start competing for a woman's attention, you've already lowered yourself. Because competition says, "She's above me." And now you're trying to prove your worth. The unforgettable man doesn't do that. He doesn't compete. He doesn't chase. He doesn't perform. He builds. He focuses. He creates his own world. And if she wants to be part of it, she earns that spot. And here's the irony. That's what makes her chase. Because now she's thinking, why isn't he trying? Why is he different? Why doesn't he need me like the others do? And curiosity is the beginning of attraction. Point 4. The man who calls her out. Most men avoid conflict. They stay quiet. They ignore red flags. They accept behavior they don't like, all to keep the peace. But peace without respect is weakness, and women feel that. The man who calmly says, "That's not okay," without anger, without ego, without losing control, that's the man she remembers. Because he's not reacting emotionally, he's responding with standards. And that shows something powerful. He values himself more than her approval. Point 5. The man who controls himself. Desire is where most men lose everything. They see a woman they want, and suddenly, their discipline disappears. They chase too fast. They text too much. They invest too early. And without realizing it, they give away their power. But the man who controls himself, the man who can want her and still stay grounded, that man becomes different. He becomes rare. And when you become rare, you become memorable. Because now she's not dealing with another man driven by impulse. She's dealing with a man driven by control. Point 6. The man who makes her earn respect. Most men give respect instantly, just because she's attractive, just because she shows interest. But respect given too early has no weight. The unforgettable man understands this. He doesn't rush. He observes. He watches patterns. He pays attention to behavior. And only then, he gives respect. And when he does, it means something, because it wasn't free. And anything that isn't free is valued more. Point 7. The man who withholds validation. Women are surrounded by validation every day. Messages, comments, likes. You're beautiful, you're perfect, you're amazing. It never stops. And because it never stops, it becomes noise. But the man who doesn't validate easily, the one who doesn't react instantly, the one who takes his time, his words carry weight because they're not automatic. They're intentional. And intentional words stick. Point 8. The man who breaks routine. Predictability kills attraction. Same texts, same timing, same energy. No surprise, no tension, no emotion. But the man who breaks routine, who shows up differently, who creates moments she didn't expect, he creates emotional spikes. And those spikes turn into memories. Because people don't remember consistency, they remember moments. Point 9. The man who leads. Most men follow. They wait. They adapt. They let the woman decide everything. But the man who leads, who sets direction calmly, without force, without needing validation, that man creates security. Not control, security. And women don't remember the man who followed them. They remember the man who guided them. Point 10. The man who leaves a mark. Most men become memories, and memories fade. They blur over time. They get replaced. But some men leave something deeper, an emotional imprint, a shift, a change in perception. Not because they were perfect, but because they were real, because they stood firm, because they didn't bend just to be liked, because they made her feel something she couldn't ignore. That's what lasts. Conclusion. Here's the truth most people don't want to accept. Women don't fall in love with the perfect man. They fall in love with the man who made them feel the most. Even if it challenged them, even if it confused them, even if it didn't last. Because emotion is what creates attachment. Not logic, not comfort, emotion. Final message. So stop trying to be liked. Stop trying to impress. Stop trying to be the safest option in the room. Be the man who has standards. Be the man who has boundaries. Be the man who respects himself first. Because at the end of the day, memories fade, but impact stays. And the man who creates impact is the man who is never forgotten. Call to action. Now I want to hear from you. Be honest. Have you ever been that man? Or have you been the one who got forgotten? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk.